This is Geek Plus at Logimat 2026 in just 60 seconds.
Introducing RAPS, the robot arm picking station. Working together with the Robo Shuttle and our P40 robot, we offer an end-to-end, fully autonomous Tote-to-Person solution.
Powered by Geek Plus Brain, we're bringing embodied intelligence into the picking process.
Presenting the latest updates to our Pallet-to-Person solution. More agile and quicker. Designed to handle higher volumes operations.
And finally, teasing Gino, the world's first humanoid robot built for warehousing.
Where else can you see this portfolio? Come and see it in action.